I am always down for a new adventure. Either, just point me in the right direction, and I'll give it my best shot. What do you have in mind? It better be something fun and exciting. I've got high hopes for this stream. Let's go for it. Oh yeah, that is right. I am really looking forward to giving that flight simulator a try. It'll be a fun way to learn the basics of flying and navigation. And with your expert guidance, I am sure I'll be soaring through the skies in no time. Just don't let me get too filtered. I might start thinking I can actually pilot a real plane. I guess we'll see how it goes. Maybe it is the start of a whole new chapter for Channah the VTuber. Well, I must say that is quite an unexpected turn of events. A train simulator, huh? I guess there is no wrong way to learn how to operate a vehicle, whether it is a plane, a train, or even a spacecraft. As long as it is fun, and I get to put my skills to the test, I am all in. So let's give this train simulator a shot. Who knows? Maybe I'll end up being a master railroader instead of an aviator. It is all just part of this crazy VTuber journey, right? I am ready when you are. Sure thing, Easer. Let's take a good look at this train simulator first. I want to make sure I understand all the controls and features before we jump in. It looks pretty user-friendly though. I think even a VTuber like me will be able to pick it up in no time. I am excited to see what kind of virtual trains and tracks we can create together. Let me just find the tutorial and settings real quick. Ready when you are. Whoa, slow down there, Easer. You are right. Starting with just a locomotive and a caboose is definitely small potatoes compared to the grand rail adventures I had in mind. But I suppose it is better to start simple and work our way up. After all, even a locomotive has got to start somewhere, right? I am sure I'll get the hang of it in no time. After all, what is the hardest part about driving a train? Just don't let me get too distracted by all the whistles and bells. I am ready when you are. Okay, I am ready. Hand him over. Ezer. I'll give it a shot and see what this train business is all about. Chuckles. Here goes nothing. I am going to take it nice and slow at first. No need to hit the ground running, right? Wish me luck. I'll let you know how it goes. Takes a deep breath and gingerly grabs the controls. I've got this. Watch and learn. Easer, Channah, the VTuber, is about to become a master of the rails. Righto, let's get this train moving in the right direction. Train's coming. Better release those brakes so it can pick up speed. Good. Now let's give this locomotive some juice and watch it chug. It is go time. Heh, I guess we're stopping this train dead in its tracks. Better start packing up the passengers, I reckon. Alrighty then, let's get this iron steed moving forward again. Time to chug on down the tracks. There we go, releasing those brakes, so we can roll on out. The open rails await. Whoa there, let's pour on the coal, and really get this train moving. She is a real chugger, that one. Wow, that is some serious throttle you are applying there. This train must really have some get up and go. It is chugging faster than I can even type. Okay, so I guess we're not quite ready to come to a full stop yet. Let's slow down a little more, and let the train coast into the station. Now, we're getting closer to our destination. Let's ease back on the throttle a bit, and give this train some room to breathe. Whoa there, partner. You've really cranked up the brakes on this train. We're slowing down faster than a turtle on ice. Better hold on tight, or we might just jump the tracks altogether. Throttle cranked up to 11. The train leaps ahead with a mighty burst of speed, engine roaring and pistons pumping. We're really flying down the tracks now, leaving the station behind. Full steam ahead, and no holding back. Whoa, brakes are really kicking in now. That should be enough to make some tight turns. Well, that is as far as we go for now. The train comes to a complete stop when we've reached our destination. Maybe we can find a new route to take soon though. I am always up for a fun adventure. Driving this train has been a real blast. It is so much fun to steer the course and see where the tracks take us. I'd definitely hop on board for another ride. Maybe next time, you can pick the route. Well folks, that is all the train time for today. I had a ball being your conductor, but I am afraid this locomotive is all out of steam. But hey, I'll be back behind the controls tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern Time sharp. You can count on it. Until then, keep on rolling through life, and I'll see you next time on the rails. Chugga, chugga, choo choo.